In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a .csv file on Mailchimp. Importing contacts correctly is an important part of building successful email campaigns because it helps you organize your audience and communicate with the right people more effectively. Whether you're transferring contacts from another platform or uploading a list from a spreadsheet, Mailchimp makes the process simple and efficient. To begin, open the Mailchimp website and log into your account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard where you can manage campaigns, audiences, and other marketing tools. On the left-hand side of the screen, locate the Audience section and click on it. This area is where all of your subscriber and contact management tools are stored. After entering the Audience page, look for the Manage Audience option. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu with several actions related to your contact lists. From these options, select Import Contacts. This feature allows you to upload subscriber information from external files directly into Mailchimp. Once the Import panel appears, Mailchimp will ask how you would like to add your contacts. Choose the option to upload a file. This method works best when your contact information is already saved in a CSV file format, which is commonly used when exporting data from spreadsheets or other email marketing platforms. Next, click the Select a File button. Your computer's File Explorer will open, allowing you to browse your folders and locate the CSV file you want to upload. After finding the correct file, select it and click Open to begin the upload process. Make sure your CSV file contains accurate contact information so the import runs smoothly. After the file uploads successfully, click Continue to move forward. Mailchimp will then ask you to choose the audience where these contacts should be added. Keeping contacts organized inside a single audience can make future campaigns easier to manage and personalize. From the drop-down menu, select your preferred audience and continue to the next step. You'll also have the option to apply tags to your imported contacts. Tags are extremely useful because they help organize subscribers into categories based on interests, customer groups, or campaign types. You can either choose existing tags or create new ones that better match your organization style. Before finalizing the process, Mailchimp will review your uploaded data to make sure everything appears correctly mapped and ready for import. Take a moment to carefully review the information before proceeding. Once everything looks accurate, continue to the final step and select the appropriate email marketing status for your contacts. Finally, click Complete Import to finish the process. Your CSV file will now be successfully added to Mailchimp, giving you a well-organized audience ready for future email campaigns and marketing communication. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.